We have some more breaking news that's coming in. Trouble mounts for AAP convener Arvind Kejriwal. Kejriwal is in trouble over palatial bungalow. Vigilance Commission orders probe into renovation. Public Works Department to conduct detailed probe. Lavish bungalow covered 40,000 square yards. CVC to CPWD says probe allegations of norms flouted. The BJP had approached CVC in October 2024 over the bungalow and has slammed Kejriwal over the palatial bungalow row. Shreya Chatterjee is joining us live on the broadcast for more on this. Shreya, we are learning, as we know, that the Vigilance Commission has ordered a probe into the renovations that were ordered into the ex-Chief Minister's home. Give us more clarity on what exactly the BJP, the norms that have been flouted that the BJP has alleged in the construction of the home, and the probe that is going to take place, which direction it's going to take.
Chetna, first and foremost, this entire incident travels back to the 14th of October 2024, when then leader of the opposition of the assembly in the Delhi Secretariat, Vijayendra Gupta from the BJP, had shot a letter to CVC. In fact, he had shot two letters to the CVC, one alleging about the alleged beautification of the Sheesh Mahal bungalow and the renovation work that was being carried out at Six Flagstaff March, thereby four bungalows in fact were being demolished. That included two Type 5 bungalows where senior government officials used to reside. Now, subsequently what happened was the CVC directed the CPWD to prepare a report. The CPWD prepared a report and submitted the same on the December 5th. Subsequently, based on that report, the CVC has now ordered the CPWD to go ahead with an investigation. So this is a very serious development that is coming in, especially as the Aam Aadmi Party is concerned. We already have multiple swords hanging. So far as investigation is concerned against the Aam Aadmi Party, the liquor policy case hasn't really been over. Apart from that, in the Sheesh Mahal case, we do know there's a preliminary inquiry that's been opened by the Central Bureau of Investigation. And now, with the CBC asking the CPWD to also investigate the matter, it is only going to worsen for the Aam Aadmi Party. The BJP suggests that for 10 years, the Aam Aadmi Party has ruled and looted Delhi, and now that they have come to power, they'll ensure that they pay back for it. So it's payback time is what the BJP suggests. It also echoed in the speech of the Prime Minister after he delivered his first note following the results of the Delhi elections. And Aam Aadmi Party continues to say that this is nothing but a political witch hunt. So this is the entire controversy. But irrespective of it, Chetna, trouble continues to mount for Aam Aadmi Party, who's already seen a debacle so far as the Delhi election is concerned.
Absolutely, Shreya. Thanks for bringing us those details on that story. Let's also listen in to the reaction coming in by the Leader of Opposition in Delhi Assembly, Vijayendra Gupta.
जब भी हमने शीश महल का मामला उठाया, केजरीवाल जी चुप्पी साध गए, उनकी मुख्यमंत्री चुप्पी साध गई, सदन में बात तक नहीं करने दी गई। एक तरफ जब पूरे देश की, दिल्ली की जनता जानना चाहती है कि जो लोग अपने आप को कट्टर ईमानदार और आम आदमी कहते थे, वो कट्टर बेईमान और सबसे खास आदमी निकले। इतना बड़ा बंगला, इतना बड़ा एम्पायर, तो मैं और अभी तो इसमें और भी बहुत सी जांच बाकी है, क्योंकि जो शीश महल दिखाई दे रहा है खाली इतना नहीं है, वो उसके साथ वहां पर कई टावर बन रहे हैं जो अधूरे पड़े हैं, उन पर भी करोड़ों रुपए खर्च हुए हैं। वो टावर जो बन रहे हैं नए, उनमें क्या होना था, क्या बनाया जा रहा था, उसकी भी पूरी जांच होनी चाहिए। और इस पर सेंट्रल विजिलेंस कमीशन ने आदेश दिए हैं सीपीडब्ल्यूडी को कि इसकी कंप्लीट जांच कीजिए, एक डिटेल जांच कीजिए।